Folding the hem of vintage shirts could be tasking and a little bit difficult. Now, the simplest thing to do here is to start folding from one edge. Now, how you handle it will determine how successful it will turn out to be. When you fold in this form, I will show you how to handle the back part, which seems to be one of the most difficult areas of the folding. Right now, bear in mind that they have a footer machine that could help you do this, but if you want to do this manually or by yourself, this is how you will go about doing it. Now, make sure that the side joining tallies exactly at the side points. Don't allow the side joining to split over or to drag or extend more than the side joining. Then make sure that the center back is also corresponding with the center back. That's where you ironed. You go a bit far, arrange it, then fold, and then sit in properly the sides to make it sit properly. Look at how I am arranging it properly. So you have to fold from afar while you meet the machine hem or machine footer. Then this is how you will do this all through the whole back area. And see how I am arranging it. I will go far, fold first, then push it front, and it aligns with the machine foot. Now, bear in mind that there might be other easier ways to do this, but this is my own method which I use and it works well for me. So I'm folding less than half of an inch, right? I'm making sure that I have equal folding. You see how I am making sure that the side joinings are properly taken care of. When you take care of the side joinings, all the other areas will fall into place. And make sure that while doing this, you are not in a haste. If you notice any rumple or any squeeze, you are meant to lose it and start all over again. So with that, once you're able to handle the back panel, the two fronts will just align properly. And also make sure that when you are folding the last part, you go to the front, arrange it, give it a little drag or stretch, and make it to sit in properly. Do well to like this video, and thanks for watching. See you in my next video. Bye bye for now.